Good morning, students. Welcome to the class of Mathematics. So today we will solve some questions of lines and angles, right? So let us solve this question where two parallel lines are given, right? Where a pair of parallel line is given, right? This is AB and CD. Here you can see here AB and CD are two parallel lines. We need to find the value of this angle x. We need to find the value of this angle x. How we will be calculating it? Let us see, right? And in this question, it's given that the value of angle APQ is 55 degree, right? What is APQ? APQ is this angle. This you are observing it, right? And another angle CRQ, this is 50 degree. This is also given, right? Now we need to find the value of this angle x. This angle can be find out by using some concepts which we should have in solving any lines and angle questions, right? So since these two angles are 55 and 50, we calculate the value of angle x. How? Let us see. Now, if we draw a line parallel to AB and CD, since AB is parallel to CD, then we can say that this line, let's say, from here I am drawing it, ABCD, let's say EF. This is E, and we are drawing a line parallel to AB and CD. Let's say it's EF. So this is EF. So we can say that AB parallel to CD, which is already given, and we did a construction EF parallel to AB and CD. So we can say that AB is parallel to CD, parallel to EF. So all these three lines are parallel to each other, right? If these three lines are parallel, then do you observe something? If this is 55 degree, what will be this angle? I mean to say angle PQF. This one, you know the alternate angle concept. This is the transversal PQ which is cutting the parallel lines AB and EF, right? So this will be coming as 55 degree. How? Because APQ, angle APQ equal to angle PQF equal to 55 degree, right? By the concept of alternate angles, right? Similarly, using the same concept, if CD is parallel to EF, then we can say that angle CRQ is equal to angle RQF, this one, isn't it? Angle CRQ is equal to angle RQF. What is the value of that angle? It's 50 degree, right? 50 degree. So we can say that this angle is 50 degree, and we know that any complete angle value is equal to 360 degree. So we can say that the angle which is forming at Q is 360 degree. Angle, complete angle at Q equal to 360 degree, right? Complete angle is 360 degree. So we can say that if angle PQR, external angle, this one, if this is X, then X plus 55, alternate angle, plus 50, alternate to this, is add up to 360 degree. So to calculate the value of X, it's a simple arithmetic calculation. 360 minus 55 minus 50 is the value of X. Now simply solve it. 360 minus 105. What's the value? It's coming as 255. 10 minus 5, 5, 5 minus 5, 3 minus 2. So X, the value of X is 255 degree. So the value of x is 255 degree. So this is our answer, right? So students, hope you understand how we solve this question, right? By using the concept of alternate angle, with being considering this PQ as transversal to AB and EF and QR as transversal to CD and EF. This alternate angle is calculated 55. Similarly, this alternate angle is calculated as 50. 55 plus 50 plus x. This complete angle will be 360 degree, right? So I used the same concept, x plus 55 plus 50 is equal to 360 degree. Because the all sum of all angles forming over here at Q is 360 degree. So I used the same. So only one variable with us, that is x, and putting up the rest of the values, we get the value of x as 360 minus 55 minus 50. Because we calculate the value of this angle and this angle by using the concept of alternate angle as 55 and 50, just subtract the sum of 55 and 50 from 360 to get the value of x as 255 degree. So in this way we are solving such questions of lines and angles. Now let us consider some different question. Okay, now I am taking one separate question, so let me solve it over here. I am taking a different sheet of paper. Right. So here a line is given AB, right? And another line is BC, forming like this. And there is a point D here, interior of ABC, and connected like this, A to D and D to C. So this is a straight line, and this is also a straight line. Now we need to find the value of this. This is given as x. We need to find the value of x if this angle is given as B angle is given as 40 degree, A is given as 35, and this angle is given as 55. Now we need to find the value of x as what? You can put up into the comment box. It will be very easy for me to understand that you are getting involved into this learning, right? Now how we are finding this value of x? Just think, there is no two parallel lines, there is no transversal, then how we will be solving it? Let us see. Since A, B, C, D, you can see AB is one line, BC is another line, CD is third line, and DA is fourth line. So it's a closed figure with these four lines. So ABCD is considered to be a quadrilateral, isn't it? Right. So ABCD can be considered as a quadrilateral. If ABCD is a quadrilateral, then we can say that angle A. So we can say angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D, where A is this one, B is this, C is this, and D is this. So all this will be add up to give a value of 360 degree. You know why? Because the sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is always 360 degree, right? I don't think it need to be written over here. I hope you understand it. So if the sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree, then we can say that, put up the value of A as 35. So 35 degree plus B. What is the value of B? It's 40. Just write it over here. Plus C. What is it? It's 55. Plus angle D. What is this angle? This angle is always equal to x. Why? Because it's vertically opposite angle to angle ADC. and ADC is given as x. So exterior to ADC is also equal to x. So exterior to ADC is an angle which is interior or one of the angle of the quadrilateral ABCD, right? So just in place of this angle you can write x. So 35 plus 40 plus 55 plus x will be just add up to give the value of 360 degree. Now this is a very simple equation, a linear equation in one variable where x is the variable and we are knowing the other values. So it's very easy to calculate this value x. So x is calculated as 360 degree minus 35 minus 40 minus 55, right? So 360, just add up all these negative items, all these negative number, that is minus 35 minus 40 minus 55, 50 plus 30 80 plus 90 90 130. So 130 minus 130 degree will be deducted from 360 to get our answer. What is that? The answer is 360 minus 130 is coming as 30, 230. So 230 degree is the value of this x. This is 230 degree, or this is equal to 230 degree. So here we have solved this question of line and angle where the value of x is calculated as 230 degree, right? Now we can see some other questions of lines and angles. Yeah. Perfectly fine, Bob. You solved it correctly. You are perfect. Your answer is 100% correct. 230 is the right answer. Yes. Yeah, Ankur. Oh, you know it. That's great. Saurav. Hi, Saurav. How are you? Bob, just keep it up. All the best. Now we'll take some separate questions of lines and angles and let us see how you are able to solve it or not. Okay, just I'm changing the paper, just a minute. It's a very good question and you will learn a lot from this question. Okay, perfectly fine. So I am taking an star. Any one of you have seen an star? It is like this. Isn't it? Is my understanding is correct? In my view, a star looks like this. Isn't it? Perfectly fine. So this is an star which is given. Now we need to find the angle, the sum of the angles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is that? If this is angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3, this is angle 4, and this is angle 5. Let's say 1. So start from here. 1, 2, in a cyclic order. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So these are 5 angles whose sum we need to calculate. Right? Now, how we are doing it? Let us see. Let us see. So we can see that sorry, this is a star where all the angles at the corner are 1, 2, 3 and 3, 4 and 5 respectively, right? Now just solve it. We need to find the value of angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to how much, right? How we will be solving this question? Let us see. Let us see it. Okay, take one of the triangle. let's say just nomenclature, give just do the nomenclature. A, let's say B, C, D, E, F, G, H and I. I have already put a shorts of this question, and I think you will be happy to see the explanation of this, right? So in triangle, let's say AG, this one, AGD, this one. In triangle AGD, what happens? In triangle AGD, we can say that angle 5 plus angle 3 plus this angle plus this angle. What is that? This angle? This angle is, let's say, just do the nomenclature of these angles also. 5 is at all the corners of the or point of the stars. So let's say it's 6, then 7, then 8, then 9, then 10. Right? Hi Bob. No J. I didn't get it. What you are saying? So I think just if you can put up your query very clearly into the chat box, I will be able to understand it. Right? Fine. Yeah, Bob. Thanks. So in triangle AGD, that means triangle AGD, you know that sum of all the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So we can say that this is 5 plus 3 plus 6. This will be coming as 180 degree. 180 degree plus 6 equal to 180 degree. Right? Similarly, you take another triangle. That is what? You have taken AGD. After that, take another triangle CGB. CGB. In triangle CGB. I hope it's visible to you. Yes. Fine. So in triangle CGB, C is here, G is here, and B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. No, let's name it J. So in triangle CGJ, CGJ. So in triangle CGJ, what is the value of all angles? Angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle 9. Angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle 9 is equal to 180 degree. Isn't it? Now, take another triangle that is from E, starting from E. Right? So, what is that value? So, just take triangle EIB. In triangle EIB, what's that? In triangle EIB, sum of angle 2 plus 4 plus 10. Angle 2 plus angle 4 plus angle 10 will be coming as 180 degree. Right? Angle 2 plus 4 plus 10 is coming as 180 degree. Now take this triangle starting from G. Triangle GAD. In triangle GAD. Similarly, find out the angles. What are those angles? In triangle GAD, that is 3 plus 5 plus 6. So angle 3 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is coming as 180 degree. Isn't it? Fine. Now take the angles triangle starting from I. So in triangle ICF, in triangle ICF, what happens? In triangle ICF, angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 7. Angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 7 is equal to 180 degree. Isn't it? Perfectly fine. So ICF, A AEH. So here we will consider in the same order all the questions, all the triangles. So here we have taken triangle starting from A as AGD, right? Similarly CGJ, triangle EIB. So you can see sum of all these angles is 180 degree, because the sum of all the angles of a triangle is always equal to 180 degree, right? Now just add up all the values over here. Just add up all the values. You can see 1 is coming 2 times. Here 1, 1. So we can say that on adding, what we will get? 2 times angle 1. Now angle 2 is also coming. Angle 2 is also coming over here. Angle 2 and angle 3 is coming also 2 times. You can see angle 3 and angle 3 over here, right? So 3 plus 3, you can see 2 times angle 3. We have taken the sequence. Just check that whether we have taken the proper sequence of these triangles or not. You can see ICF, right? Now triangle GAD, right? Now triangle EIB, perfect. In triangle CGJ, perfect. Now AEH, it should be not AGD, it should be AEH. So just write for triangle AEH, what are the sum of all the 3 angles? In triangle AEH, it will be 5 plus 2 plus 8. Angle 5 plus angle 2 plus angle 8 as 180 degree. Why we cut it? Because we need to check the sequence of all the triangles in the same manner. You can see now AEH is in the same fashion as CGJ, as EIB and GAD and ICF, right? So just sum of all these angles is coming as 180 degree. Just add on the LHS of all these 5 equations, and in the RHS you are getting 5 into 180 degree, right? In the LHS there are 2 times angle 1, so 2 times angle 1. Angle 3 is also coming 2 times, we have written over here. Angle 2 now you can see it coming 2 times, angle 2. So we can write 2 times angle 2, right? Just put it into bracket so that it's very easy and you will not get confused. 2 times angle 3. Now come to angle 4. You can see angle 4 came 2 times. So 2 times angle 4, right? Now what is left? Angle 5. So angle 5 here and here 2 times. So plus 2 times angle 5, right? Now we are left with 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? We are left with 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we can say that plus angle 6 plus angle 7 plus angle 8 plus angle 9 plus angle 10 will be coming as 5 into 180 degree, right? So 5 into 180 degree into the RHS we get 900 degree, right? And you can see if 2 can be taken as common, we are left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 times angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5. This is the same thing which we need to calculate. You can do just see the question, angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So this need to be calculated. We are just approaching our answer. Be patient. You can see here. Let me see the chat box. If some queries. Nanak, hi Mime. Yeah. Hope you are observing the question carefully. Just 1 second. Let me align it. Perfect. Right. Now, here into the LHS, 2 times angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here. Now this is covered, this is covered, this is covered, this is covered, this is covered. And plus 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do you see what is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are all interior angles of a pentagon. Isn't it? Yes. And you know that all the interior angles of a pentagon, what is the sum of all the interior angles of a pentagon? Do you know what is the formula of any closed figure? What is the sum of all interior angles? It's n minus 2 into 180 degree. For pentagon, n minus 2 into 180 degree, all angles sum. Where n is equal to 5. So 5 minus 2 will be 3. So 3 into, just I should mention completely so that it will be clear. 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. So 3 into 180 degree is coming as 540 degree. Right? Is it visible to you? Let me squeeze it a little. Yeah. So 540 degree is the sum of all angles of a pentagon. Right? So when this is 540 degree, we say that 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is a pentagon. Here you can just see. This is a pentagon. And the sum of all angles of this pentagon is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So just put up the value of 540 degree over here. Now, you can easily calculate the value of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, which we want to calculate. So we can see angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is coming as 900 minus 540 divided by 2. Divided by 2. Hope you got it. 900 minus 540 divided by 2. What's that? 900 minus 540 is coming as 360. So it will be coming as 360 degree divided by 2. And what is the value of 360 divided by 2? It's 180 degree. So we can say that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, its value is coming as 180 degree. 180 degree. So this is our answer, right? So students, I hope you just enjoyed these questions and learned from these, and I hope you will have some better questions and concepts learning from here. And for any queries or for some questions where you need a support, just put up into the chat box. I am going through it very regularly, right? So I hope you understand this question. So we will see you again. So what we captured today? We captured various questions of lines and angles. Okay, this is a question where a star is given. Okay, we need to find the value of this angle 1, value of this angle 2, value of this angle 3, value of this angle 4, and value of this angle 5. So just I have put the numbers over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need to find out the value of these 5 angles. Sum of all these 5 angles, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to how much? Now what we did, we considered 5 separate triangles, and we know that sum of all the angles of any triangle is always equal to 180 degree, right? So what we considered, taken A, go to the extreme end of it, E, then point touching this pentagon which is forming in the center of this star. This is a pentagon, observe it very clearly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a closed figure covered by 5 sides is a pentagon, right? So selection of triangle will be like this, AEH. So in triangle AEH, angle 5 plus 2 plus 8 is coming as 180 degree. This is angle 5, this is angle 2, and this is angle 8. All this sum will be coming as 180 degree, right? Now take another triangle A. After A, go to C in the cyclic order here. From C, go to the extreme end G. From CGJ, in triangle CGJ, angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle 9. 1 plus 3 plus 9 is coming as 180 degree. Now in a cyclic order, from C, go to E. So from E, go to extreme end I. From EIB, so in triangle EIB, we get the value of angle 2 plus angle 4 plus angle 10 as 180 degree, right? In the same fashion, write the value of triangle GAD. From G, go to the extreme end A and point ending at the pentagon D. So in triangle GAD, 3 plus 5 plus 6 is coming as 180 degree, because 3 is this angle, 5 is this angle, and 6 is this angle, right? So 3 plus 5 plus 6 is coming as 180 degree, this one. And going to the last vertex of this star, the corner, from I, go to the extreme end C. So in triangle IC, and the point, and from C, go to the end point, at the point touching the pentagon, right? So in triangle ICF, we see angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 7. Angle 4 plus 1 plus angle 7 is coming as 180 degree, right? Now add the LHS of all these equations. Equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3, equation number 4. Starting from here, it's first. So let's say this is 5. So add all these 5 equations, LHS and RHS. What we get? We get, you can see, angle 1 is coming 2 times. So 2 times angle 1, 2 times angle 2, 2 times angle 3, 2 times angle 4, 2 times angle 5. We are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the angles of the vertex of this star, right? So 2 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, taking 2 as common, plus 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can see 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are the angles of a pentagon which is at the center of the star. And we know the formula, n minus 2 into 180 degree. For a closed polygon, the sum of all the angles, all the interior angles of a closed polygon is n minus 2 into 180 degree, right? So n minus 2 into 180 degree, putting the value of n as 5, because the number of sides of the pentagon is 5. We get the value of 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. that is 3 into 180 degree coming as 540, right? So just put up the value of 540 over here. So we easily find angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 will be coming as 900, that is 5 into 180 coming into the RHS 5 into 180 is 900. Here you can see. So 900 minus this 540 from LHS to RHS is coming. So 540 is the sum of angle, all the interior angles of of this closed polygon, which is a pentagon. So 900 minus 540 divided by 2, it's coming as 360 by 2, which is 180 degree. So 180 degree is the sum of the angle of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is coming as 180 degree, which is our answer, right? So hope students you understand this question very clearly and what is the concept we have used over here, right? Now let us summarize what we learned into the today's class. We learned lines and angles where this question is covered. We have considered another question, this one, where two parallel lines are given. We need to calculate the value of this x marked in black. We did some construction. We draw a line EF parallel to AB and CD. Since AB parallel to CD parallel to EF, we can say that angle APQ is equal to PQF here, because it's an alternate angle and PQ is the transversal cutting AB and EF at equal angles, right? So by using alternate angle concept, we can say angle PQF as 55 degree. Now angle CRQ will be equal to angle RQF. CRQ is equal to RQF. Since EF is parallel to CD, so just using the same concept of alternate angle, we can say RQF is 50 degree. So this is coming as 50 degree, right? This is coming as 50 degree and this is already calculated as 55 degree by the concept of alternate angles. So how we will find x? We know that any complete angle sum is equal to 360 degree. So at Q, you can see three angles are forming. One is x from this side, left hand side, and two angles 55 and 50. So x plus 55 plus 50 will add up to give the value of 360 degree. That's why I have written over here complete angle at Q is equal to 360 degree, right? Now just put up the value of 55 and 50 to get the value of x as 360 minus 105, which is coming as 255 degree. So this is our answer. So this is the second question which we have learned today. And the last question, or you can say the first question which we have learned, is this one. Where this figure is given as shown ABC, where these angles 35 degree, 40 degree and 55 degree are given. So let's say angle A is 35, angle B is 40, angle C is 55. We need to find out the value of angle ADC. See here, it's a D. D is into the center, this one. So ADC, that means this x degree need to be calculated. We know that ABCD, just see here. If this is x, now if this is x, we can say that this one is 230 minus x, isn't it? Sorry, 360 minus x, because using the same concept, right? Now since ABCD is a quadrilateral, we can say that angle A plus B plus C plus D is coming as 360 degree, right? So sum of all these angles is 360 degree. So we can say 35 plus 40 plus 55 plus this angle x is 360 degree. So this is not 360, this is x, and this is 360 minus x. 360 minus x, this one. This is because this is 360, and if this is 3x, then this angle will be 360 minus x, right? So in this way we have calculated the value of x as just subtract it from 360 minus 35 minus 40 minus 55, because we know that sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So we get the value of x as 230 degree, this one. And this angle is 360 minus 230. 360 minus 230. So this will be coming as 130 degree. So if this is 230, this opposite angle reflects to this is 130. 230 plus 130, you can just add up to get a number 360, which is a complete angle, right? So we have solved all these questions today of lines and angles, and hope you get some concept of lines and angles, and just try to keep on learning. And for any queries, Jay Lil Run. Hi sir. Hi Lil Run. Good evening. Yeah, you can say it's for class 9, class 7, or any competitive examination. This is a concept of lines and angles which we are understanding and I'm trying to teach. Yeah, these questions are maximum in class 9, but this can come to you in any competitive examination. Yeah. Okay, Jalil Run. For the next class, in the next class, I will try to capture the circles. But you can also see one of my previous videos, live session, 2 or 3 days back, I have published on circle. You can refer that, Jalil Run. Yeah, and for any particular concept, in a live session of 30 minutes or 20 minutes or 1 hour, it's very difficult to teach all the. Yeah, Jalil Run. Yeah, you can like and subscribe to the channel. It's your wish. If you think so, always welcome. But yes, whatever is the doubt, you can put up into the comment box and just send me. I will get it resolved or get your query clear. Right? Thank you so much. So yeah, sure. I will come up with the circles live session also. Don't worry. I have noted down your point. Yeah, you can ask your question. No problem, Jalil Run. Can you drop me a message? And here into the chat box also you can put up as you wish. Hope you have seen all these 3 questions which you have covered. One is this, another is this one, and the third is this, right? Yeah, Jalil Run. You can just send me the, yeah, if you have subscribed then no problem, you can send me, I will help you. सर मैंने स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट एग्जाम दिया आकाश का. वेरी गुड सर, अच्छे से प्रिपरेशन की थी, एनसीईआरटी की क्वेश्चन कुछ समझ नहीं आए. ओके. हाय जयलील रन. यस, टेल मी विच आर दोज क्वेश्चंस. कौन से क्वेश्चन आपको समझ में नहीं आए? यस, let me know. I don't know which questions you faced into the examination of your institute or where you have appeared, but yeah, you can send me the question. I will try to explain it. Okay, no worries. Whatever it be, you can put up the question to me. I will help you. आपको क्वेश्चन समझ में नहीं आए देन इट शुड नॉट बी लाइक दिस. आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. डोंट वरी, बी पेशेंट. आप एफर्ट्स डालो रिजल्ट आएगा, आई विल गारंटी दैट. ठीक है. It's not like that you are learning and you are not getting the results. Just put up your efforts very smartly and very truthfully to yourself. You should be truthful towards you, right? Then you will ultimately achieve it. It's your dedication, Jay. Don't worry. Yes. Hi, Bob. Yep. Thank you for watching. Yep. Happy learning. Yeah, Ankur. I can see your message. Hi, Jay. Yes, yes, yes. In science, I usually refer physics. Okay, you can see my channel. Multiple physics questions are also there. You can see the shorts. Even I will come up with the live session on physics subjects also, physics topics also. Yeah, physics and maths basically. Yes, yes. Good. That's nice interacting with you, Jay. Yep. Thank you. Thank you for being attached to the channel. Yeah. Happy learning. Sure, Jay. I will ask you questions, don't worry. I will ask you questions. First, you should be having a confidence. If you are putting a topic, then I will ask you the questions also. Sure, sure. So basically, if you are asking class 9 ki physics se, yeah. So tell me the difference between the distance and displacement. The very basic question. Yes, yes. I know you are putting lot many of efforts in writing, and I am speaking. So definitely you are putting lot many efforts than me. So what is distance? What is displacement? Mm-hmm. Anyway, we will come up into the next session, students. Thank you. Displacement, the distance between the initial and final point. Is it? If you are saying that distance is displacement is the distance between the initial and final point, that's fine. But that is not the exact definition, Jay. So that is not the exact definition. You can say a displacement is the shortest distance between the initial and final point. So that is displacement, right? So you given a good trigger. I will come up with the next live session on physics. Okay. So we will jointly solve many questions of displacement and distance. Okay. I will try to get it on this topic. And I am very happy to know that you are very much good in physics. Yeah, I like it. Yes. So today we have solved questions of lines and angles. Okay. But I will try to come up into next class with on physics topics. Yes, now you are right. The shortest distance between the initial and final point is the displacement, right? So when we will solve some numericals of this, it will be easy to us, right? Unless and until you solve the numericals of physics, physics is just like mathematics, right? Yeah. So nice interacting with you, Jay. You can just keep me messaging. I will clear your doubts, and I will only say keep on learning. And when you are putting your efforts, nobody can stop you to achieve, right? Nobody could stop you to achieve. I can say you, and just trust my words. Yes, yes, you can do. Oh my God, you have completed class 9s and now you are in class 10th, starting for class 10. That's great. Perfect. So thank you students. Thank you for watching. So I think I need to close this live session now because we have just I'm quickly giving a recap. Okay. So we have solved this question. We have even solved this question and we have solved this question. So we have solved 3 questions of lines and angles over here in today's class. Okay. So you want to become a doctor. All the best, Jay. I always wish that you will become a doctor soon. And just I will also put my efforts wherever it's required. Yep. Thank you so much for being attached and watching the channel. Keep on learning. Happy learning. Bye bye. Good night.